Hey guys. So, I just got the phone with my brother. And we're going to Westgate River Ranch here in Florida, which is about an hour away.
And we're taking you guys with us. If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. Hopefully you stay with us through the entirety and you subscribe and share with your family and friends.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. We do post, or at least try to post every Tuesdays and Thursday, at least for now anyway. But I did a little bit of research on this. Westgate is a dude ranch, which I've never been to.
I've never been to a ranch.
And they have a rodeo today. I've never been to a rodeo.
They're on Saturdays.
Yeah, so we're really excited, guys. We really hope you guys enjoy this, and please
leave a comment. What's your favorite thing to do, or something that we didn't do so we can do for next time to show you guys?
For sure. Yeah. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Alright guys, it's going to be a little bit loud in here, but we made it over here to the Westgate Smokehouse Grill, and we are going to show you what they got. So the appetizers, they got tachos, gator bites, killer wings, mozzarella sticks. They got the salads there, sorry for the glare, cheeseburgers, and then we got the barbecue. Alright, so we got the barbecue stuff here. We got the brisket, pulled pork combination. The main fixins, the sides, and desserts. Kind of excited. I love some barbecue.
Good. Sauce is good.
So we got the gator bites, which we've already kind of partaked in. They're actually pretty good. And then we got the tachos, which has like a whole bunch of different like sour cream and all that fun stuff. Amber's tearing it up, but it's pretty good. Our food just came. I got the platter, I got the chicken, I also got the brisket, and I got the pulled pork. Amber got the salmon with the baked tater and the corn. And my brother got a full rack of ribs. I'm in awe of this rack of ribs.
Look at this.
Oh, I should have ordered the ribs.
What up, Reds? You ready for some rodeo? Let me hear you say yeah! Hey, good evening and welcome. My name is Ray Ducker, right here at River Ranch. I'll be your MC tonight. I want to take just a few minutes of your time to give you a little bit of insight into what's going on our side of the fence. You know what? Most folks think of cowboys and cowgirls, places like Texas and Oklahoma out west of the line. It's true, there's a lot of great cowboys and cowgirls in that part of America. But what most folks don't know is that if you look at the history of the American cowboy, you're going to find out that the very first cowboys in America came from right here in the sunshine state of Florida. We are the birthplace of the American cowboy. You may have noticed we're pretty proud of that here at Westgate River Ranch, and tonight we're going to bring to you guys a handful of Florida cowboys and cowgirls to work for you as our list of contestants. They're not only performing to entertain you, they're also trying to earn themselves a paycheck. The way we will create those paychecks is that every contestant has paid an entry fee to compete. We put some bonus money for those entry fees, and when it's all said and done tonight, the cowboy or cowgirl on top will take home a pretty good little paycheck for a little bit of work on a Saturday evening. My daddy said me. It's yours, it's mine, our national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Come on, get your feet on the seat, put your hands in the air. Let's turn it up one more time. We're ready to go bull riding. Round one. We're going down to shoe gate number 4. Tyler Brady. Tyler Brady out of St. Cloud, Florida, will be the first cowboy to try it for you on the bull we call the case. Help him out. Here we go. Ooh. Crowd going. Logan Simmons needs some help. Double trouble! Yeah, buddy! Here we go! Yeah. Help me! You can see the frustration there. He blows the rope them over to the Spanish Moss building behind the lodge. Let's see what's going to happen here. Raiders in the house. Look at it. He's big, he's mean, he's ugly. What's your bullfighters worth? Yeah. What about for your bullfighters? Help him. Just help away. Stanley. Draw, he's already kicking it. It's a base win. Come on. Sit up, he's in trouble. Look out. Yeah, bullfighter. Everybody go. The world's taking to the second. Look out. I don't be over. We'll try to get you a seat.
Well, guys, we are finally done with the Dude Ranch.
It was so much fun. There's a lot to do.
It was.
Definitely check out the link below. We'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think the best part was the rodeo for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Every Saturday nights, whether rain or shine, he said 7:30.
Yep.
$25 per person, $20
But you
for
have to have
children.
reservations, or you have to wait till 6:30 to be able to get whatever's left.
Yeah.
So.
But it was really cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We wanted to bring you along because this is our first experience, so hopefully you enjoyed it too.
Yeah.
If you can please share with your family, friends. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes. All right, bye, guys.